Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to install Kali Linux in Android. Even if your device rooted or non-rooted, but the Kali Linux will be rooted and non-rooted too. You can install it in few commands only. So let's begin. In Termux, first of all, you have to update and upgrade by putting the command apt update and apt upgrade. After that, we have to clone a repository which is given in description. Just copy and paste it in Termux after updating and upgrading it. After hitting enter, it will ask you to update or upgrade, or if any package is missing, it will ask you for install. For example, you can see here I have not upgraded my Termux from long. After that, it will ask you to install some tools, which is awesome, like TS console, T-header, Nethunter. But we have to install Nethunter only. So we will download Nethunter only and speaking other tools by tapping N and pressing enter. So guys, here you can see it is asking for TS console. I don't need it, so I am hitting N. It's asking for Termux Black. I also don't need it, so I type N. But I need this one. Do you want to install Nethunter? I want it, so I am going to type Y. Guys, it is going to start downloading tar file. It will take a little time. It is 1.7 gigabyte bigger. So let's play a music. Now guys, the configuration file has been downloaded and it's extracting in Termux, so it would also take a little time according to your device RAM. So let's wait again. Now guys, it has been extracted and the desktop is ready to run, but it is asking to delete the file which is downloaded and extracted. After extracting, no need of this file, so I am going to remove it. And I don't need this NS pack yet. It is also, I made this tool for copy and paste from Termux to desktop and desktop to Termux. Now it's time to run, so I am going to type nh-r. nh means Nethunter, -r cakes. -r used for root. If you want to run a root desktop, so you need to put -r, otherwise without r it will also run. It's asking for password, so I am going to say password. It's one time only. I have written password and see the desktop is started. We have to go in VNC viewer and put the localhost address and 127.0.0.1 and 5901 for non-rooted, but I have typed there -r, so it will not run. Picture quality is also very important. If your device is high, more than 4 GB RAM, you can use high quality picture. So you can see it has been not run because 5901 is for non-rooted. So I am going to change the 5901 issue to 5902 and putting the password which has asked in Termux and hitting continue, and boom, the desktop has been started. And now I am going to show you if the device is rooted or not. Oh sorry, open terminal and see it's showing root localhost. It means my device is rooted. My device is non-rooted. Oh sorry, I mean the desktop is rooted. My device is not rooted, trust me. I don't wanna pass your time by proving that. Now I am going to show you without R, which means non-rooted. It is asking for password. I am putting. After that open it has started. After that open VNC viewer and connect to 5901. You can see here is 5901 and I am going to connect in it. And now let's check it if it is rooted or not. And boom guys, it is non-rooted. It's showing Kali localhost only, not root. So guys, I hope the video is useful. Hit like and subscribe. If you need any types of help, you can join us in WhatsApp or you can ask me in Telegram too. So take care guys, bye.